My name is Philippe Zoy. I'm an antique dealer from 35 years. My family is in antiques business before me. All my dad, uncle is beginning and after the war. I take opportunity to have very young to go with my dad in auction, in a museum, in an exhibition, and it's for that I take this hobby.
Why is the 19th century an important period for antiques?
I like second half of 19th century because it's a mixture of many influence, like Japanese, like Orientalist, like Neo-Greek, Neo-Egyptian, and we find something different every day.
That keeps your job exciting.
Yeah. This clock is very important clock, but typical in Louis XVI style is 19th century. And it's an interesting clock because you have white marble from Carrara, Ormolu, and typical blue Wedgwood plate.
Wedgwood.
Yeah.
You get art, something that tells the time. You have architecture. You have sculpture. You have,
it's
painting.
all in one.
All in one. It's
yeah. This pair of armchairs is completely incredible with a dragon, with a lion feet.
I love the upholstery too.
Yeah, it's my taste.
Yeah.
It's very interesting sculpture because it's a 19th century Italian sculpture, but Seccheralli is a professor in Florence and it represents Judith in mythology.
Mm-hmm. I love the contrast of the pure marble with the bronze.
The pure marble is white, like milk marble, we say, and the dark bronze. When I buy this, it's very bad condition, and we clean it, it's arriving a good result.
Okay, so that's a good segue to the next place where we can show how you take something not good and make it good.
Yeah. We live.
You live? Okay. So where are we now?
Here you have the workshop for the metal.
So every piece you handle comes here through the shop?
Yeah. You have people here for lighting, here for restoration of bronze, and for restoration of wood. It's polish, vernis, all by hand.
Do you do restoration?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah. My bronze is me.
Do you love doing this?
Yeah, I love. I'm crazy with it. I prefer to stay here or stay in my shop because I learning and I like to do myself. I like not too much restore, but conservateur. If you have a gilt, I want to keep all gilding, not re-gilt. And I use all screw. When I restore the piece, I like to all part. No new part of the piece. I don't change any for new.
Oh, great. This is special. Thank you.
Voilà. I say my word.